Here is how to create a Google form on your mobile. So let's get started. The first step is to open Chrome. And once you're here, search for forms.google.com. Search for this. And if you're signed in with your Google account, you'll see a blank form like this, or else you'll be prompted to sign in. So once you've reached this page, we have all the options over here. The first step would be to add a title to this form. So just select Untitled Form, and now you can rename it to whatever you want. Then you can add a description if you want to. After that, let's see how to add questions. As you can see, one question is here by default. So just click on it, and here we can type in the question. So let's say I want to ask for the user's name. I can type that in, and you can see the type of answer we expect has changed to short answer. So if you click on this option, then here we can decide what kind of answer we want. So since we asked for the name, they automatically changed this to short answer. But they have different options like paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, and many more, which I'll show you in this video. Then another setting is required. So you can decide if you want to make this question required. This means that someone has to fill in this question, and only then they can submit the form. So to make it required, just click on this, and now it's done. Then to add another question, click on the plus button that's at the bottom left. Then again, type in your question the same way. So this time, I'm asking a question, and as you can see, the type of answer changed to multiple choice. And now to add the options, just click on option 1, and here you can type in yes, and then click on add option to add another one, which they automatically added as no. So this is how multiple choice works. So the same way, I'll quickly add more questions without wasting time. So I made this question comments, and you can see the type of answer we expect is a paragraph. So the same way, keep adding more questions, and once feel the form is ready, you can preview it once. So to do this, click on the 3 dots which are on the top right, and select preview. And this is a preview of the form. As you can see, all the questions have come here, and next to name, there's an asterisk. This is because it's a required question. So if you want to make any change, then just click on the back option, and again, we can make changes from here. So once all of this is ready, there's one thing you can do, and that's customize the theme and colors of the form. So click on the palette icon that's on top, and here we have different options. We can change the font for the heading, the questions, and the text. Then if you want to add a header image, you can do that from here. And you can change the color of the form and the background color. So if I want it to be orange, I can click on it and then select a similar background like this, and then click on apply. And as you can see, it's changed. So once everything is ready and you want to publish the form, you have to click on the send icon that's on the top right. And here you can decide who all can respond to this form. So currently, anyone with the link can respond to this. But to change this, click on manage. And from here, we can manage access. For now, I won't change anything. I'll click on done, then click on publish. And now the form has been published. And if you want the link to share it with others, just click on this icon that's on top. And from here, you can copy the responder link. You can shorten it if you want to, and then just long click on it. And now to get the link to share with others, click on the same icon that we used to publish, and then click on the link icon that's at the bottom left. And you can see that we can copy this link. And now it's done. You can share this link with whoever you want, and then they can respond to this form. So this is how it works. And every time someone fills in the form, you will see the responses over here. I've made a detailed video on different methods to see the responses, so you can check that out. That's all for today. Goodbye.